Yo, what's good? Good morning, bro. Good morning. We're back again. We're back again. Hmm. Let's go. The contest is about to start. Good luck. I need this good luck. Good luck to me. Please, God. Last contest, bro. It was embarrassing what happened in the last contest. I hope this one is better. Rohit Singh, bro. What's up? Good morning. Bro, my neck hurts like crazy. Let's go. 8 seconds. Join. Okay. Let's go, please. If I don't get a under 5k rank in this contest, bro, the second question is a design question. Okay, I guess I've already lost again. N minus I for 0 is going to be N minus 1. For N minus 1 is going to be minus N. N minus 1 minus I. Yeah, if that's minus 1 minus 1. Okay. Not a design question, bro. You go in an initial list of events. Initializes the manager. Update the priority of active event to new priority. Removes and returns the event ID of the active event with the highest priority. If it has not been removed by poll highest, if multiple active events of the return the smallest event ID amongst them. If there are no active events, return minus 1. Yeah, the highest priority. So basically you want the highest priority but the lowest number. Isn't this a heap problem? Hmm. Almost in total to update priority and poll high. Bro, what? Hmm. Priority queue and max heap. Outrank the first element of the pair, then the second in case of tie. 20, 100. But these assholes, they want the smallest number, written the smallest event ID amongst them, if there are no active events. An event is called active. We'll have to write a custom that what, right? Custom comparator, exactly. Return true if P1 should have a lower priority, B2. Yeah, I guess it's just about custom comparator, right? This is that custom comparator we have to write. Return true. 400 to 1. Okay, let's hope it's just about this custom comparator. Struct custom comparator. And it's, what is this? Bool operator. Bro, int and p1. Oh, okay. You want to return p1 dot first is greater than p2 dot first and p1 dot first is smaller than p2 dot first, right? Sorry. That is it. Now I feel like events priority queue of pair int and how do you put it, the custom hash? Okay, vector, store that in vector of pair of int and okay, custom comp okay, let's call it pq. Now for auto p of your events, p dot pq dot, how do we insert in pushback, right? Yeah, push p dot event id and priority. So we want the maximum priority. P dot second comma p dot first. Okay, Now update priority. How the fuck do we update priority? Updates the priority of active event with ID. If there are multiple active events, acha, they are unique. Okay, they are unique. Okay. Hmm. Wait, even rather than this bullshit comparator, can't we just make two, max heap and min heap, and map them? Hmm. Max heap, because now to update it, yeah, updation wouldn't work, right? Update the priority of active event with the event ID to new priority. Removes and return the event ID of the active event with the highest priority if multiple events of the. Yeah. So, since IDs are unique, hmm, hmm. So, bro, wait. You want the maximum unique IDs? Hmm. Multiple priority. Find max priority min ID should be able to update priority. I think, yeah, I think what we can rather do this rather than this bullshit. Only priority changes, right? Updates the priority of active event with event ID to new priority. How many are there in total? 10 raised to 5. How the hell are we supposed to? Event ID, new priority. Hmm, hmm, hmm. No, I think the custom comparator would be needed. Yeah, it would be needed. Priority. It would be needed. Huh. Void. What we can do is map event and changed priority equals to, right. Now we can say changed priority of event ID equals to new priority. Okay, let's just say this happens now. Bro, what was dot top, right? Yeah, auto p equals to your priority queue dot top. While pq dot top dot second, his ID would be second, changed prior dot find is not equals to changed priority dot end. अगर वो आपको मिल रहा है change priority में, so what you do is auto p equals to pq dot top pq dot pop. Now you can just say and id would be pq dot top dot second and priority would be changed priority of id. Now you just have to push back it back q dot push prior comma id. Okay, now you just have to return. This is while the topmost element has their priority changed. If this is not changed, right, you have to return pq dot second, right? P dot second. Please work, bro. Custom comp. What is wrong? In the result type of a function, bro. What's wrong with my, this is just a struct event manager. Oh, I guess it wouldn't, yeah, it would actually be, I guess, here probably, I don't know. What? P dot push, P dot second. Oh, acha, second means the first element, because that would be the priority, and the 0th element would be the ID, right? Event ID priority. Changed prior of changed prior what? Undeclared identifier. It's an unordered map. Yeah, you know what? Shut up. Changed. What? Oh, bro, my naming convention is so ass. Changed prior. Null 9 null 2 null 5 9. Mine is returning the ulta version. Null 7 4 minus 1 No events remain. Fuck me in the ass. Initializes the manager. Events I. Bro. The set store in sorted order. CPP. By default, this is ascending order. Using. So I guess, yeah, let's just eliminate the max heap. This C++ standard guarantees that iterating through a state from begin to end will access elements in non-descending. How to store in? Or we can access just the last element. How to for my custom comparator is fucking things up, bro. For auto IT of PQ. Can we even do that? Bro, I give up on my life. I'm not joking. You know, let me just see if my well, it's not empty. PQ dot auto P equals to PQ dot top C out P dot first P dot second PQ dot pop. What order is my this bullshit storing it in? 4 9 4 2. So at top it should be the greatest, right? At top it's storing. Where is my P1 dot first is greater than P2 dot first and P1 dot second is smaller than P2 dot second. Event size, the event ID and priority. So 7 is priority, 7 priority, 4 priority. Four is the priority. We want the maximum and it's storing the what? I guess wait. Yes, we want to store it like this, right? Now the highest priority, but the smallest number, bro. We want the fucking smallest. P1 dot second. It should be smaller than P2 dot second. Bro, how do we make it 757249? We want the custom comparator. Or P1 dot okay, I guess it's or 497572. Kill me. What? 7275749. Yeah. I hope in here it stores 27 and the highest priority. Okay, here it's storing the highest priority with the smallest ID. I don't know. Time limit exceeded. Unchanged priority. PQ.top.second. Event ID priority. What you need to do is, and then changed prior dot erase id comma okay, yeah, that's it, I guess. ID change priority. It's an intent. ID is basically nothing. ID is here. TLE TLE. Bro, I genuinely not joking. I should give up. I feel like event manager update priority. Change priority of event ID is new priority. Why am I getting a TLE? Okay, this is at least working. So this logic is bullshit. While PQ is not empty, and PQ.top.second PQ.top.second, if that exists in change priority. How to delete? It's erase, right? Exactly. This. So okay. Yeah. This my bro. I know I'm pooping right now. Null 2 null 59 null 74 PQ dot empty return -1 null 74 -1 null 2 null 59. Bro, this should work. So we have two things. The custom comparator, I'm hoping it works. It pushes back okay change priorities while it's not empty, and the topmost ID is not equal to change priority. It is equal in change priority. Can we do that? I don't know, bro. I'm pretty sure this is wrong, but let's just see. Null 8 null 9. Event manager poll highest. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is my custom comparator fucking up, bro. This is my custom comparator 100%. Because in this we're not even updating any priority. 3849. See, my custom comparator me up, bro. Custom comparator in CPP2 for pair to take first element as bigger and second as smaller. Oh, we'll have to write an if condition. Okay, okay. Yeah, I'm stupid. If p1 dot sort by first element in descending order, yeah. If p1 dot first is not equals to p2 dot first, return p1 dot first is greater than p2 dot first, or else you return p2 dot second. It should be greater than p1 dot second. Right, that's it. Yeah, this is the comparator that we needed. What? P dot first. So one comes with a priority of 4, other comes with 3. Isn't this what I exactly wrote? Return sort by first element in descending order. If elements are equal, sort by second in ascending order. Bro, what is happening today, bro? Return a, I mean p1 dot second should be smaller than p2 dot second, right? First of p1. 1427. It is returning. I guess we need to change the signs. So now it's returning maximum priority, minimum ID. Maximum priority, minimum ID. Maximum priority 4938. Let's say in this test case, event manager poll highest. Oh, 938. I don't know, bro. I might get again another wrong answer. Honestly, after last night's contest, bro, I know I'm trash. I don't care about rating anymore. I just know I'm trash. Event manager poll highest would be 9. Okay. Let us all hope this is correct. No joke. These custom... Bro, should I change my approach? I'm using a heap. Like in this case, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1, 1, 5, 10, 14, 6, 5, 4, 1, 9. Okay. Output is null, null, -1, -1. For some goddamn reason, it's showing -1 and -1. Okay, at least it's... What? I didn't even use... I'm not even looking at the right test case. 18 is the event ID, right? The good thing is at least I'm calm. I'm not panicking like yesterday because I know I'm trash. Events are equal to event ID or priority. Event ID is a trap. Priority is 1. Okay, nice. So highest priority that we have is No, wait. Why did it 6318 no? Event manager 63. Acha, फिर that is just updating. So my update didn't work or what? Output is null null -1. Ooh, run. Thar. Bro, I'm cooked. इस week rating के लग गए bro. भाई simple tree set plus map कर दे bro. What the hell is even a tree set? I'm using a heap and map, and honestly, I know I'm losing the night badge today. Yeah, no joke, the night badge will be lost today. Okay, now changed priority. Update priority. Polling highest, polling highest. 18 and 5. I guess the update didn't work correctly. Yeah, of course, the update didn't work correctly, looks like. 5 and 10. So it returned 5 because that had the highest priority. Oh, okay. I found the logic. Found love. How to delete from heap? Okay, but how do we delete from heap, bro? I got the logic, but how the hell do we delete from heap? Yeah. Yeah, I think I need to change my logic. Absolutely, I need to change my logic, bro. Absolutely. So what we do is, we don't make a priority queue or anything. We map the IDs to their priority. ID to priority. Okay. ID to priority of ID would be P of 0 equals to P of 1. Okay. Ordered map. In fact, let's just do priority to ID, and it stores a vector of int. Okay. Now what we can do is priority is P of 1. Now we can say priority to ID dot of our priority dot push dot priority dot ID of our current priority dot push back z ordered. dot insert our ID. That's it. Insert our ID. Yep. Now what happens when we change our priority? When we change our priority, int id equals to event ID int old priority would be priority to, wait, how do we find the old priority? Okay, we want another set of int comma int ID to priority. I know I'm writing trash solution, and ID to priority of ID equals to priority of ID. Let's do it as new priority. Now we have the new priority and the old priority. Just do ID to priority of ID equals to new priority. Update it there. Now update it in your priority to ID. Priority to ID dot of your ID dot erase from a set. You can erase your ID. Priority to ID dot of your old priority, new priority dot insert ID. Now pq.empty and added equals to 0. Yeah, let's just redo all this logic. Now set contains set stores in ordered yo fuck that hairline is concerned. Bro, did I show my hairline? Bro, what? Did I even show my hairline? Bro, people have solved 4. Bro, what has happened to me, bro? Why can't I solve questions? 8.7k people have done it. And I'm still writing a very wrong solution, 100%. Yo, I can't solve DSA questions, bro. What initializes the manager with given events? You want maximum priority, minimum ID. As simple as that. ID to priority. No, it's what we gotta do is bro, come on. Look what monetization did to you. Exactly. Cooked Leetcode plus hairline. Bro, when did I show my hairline? No fucking way I showed my hairline, bro. Somebody tell me the timestamp. Shit. Did I show the hairline? Okay, bro. It wasn't clearly visible. Maiji lost his power. Bro, absolutely. Bro, this is insane. Okay, I need to stay calm, or else I'll panic even more. We remember what happened last night. Now my main aim is not to gain rating. It's to not lose my night badge, which I'm pretty sure is gonna happen today. But yeah, let's see. The question wants is max ID and min priority. Min priority. So yeah, we can store IDs in a set. Now whenever, yeah, in a set, another set of priorities. Now, if priority to ID while, how to get the first element of set? Hmm. Begin star myset dot begin. Myset dot begin. Nah, bro, this is just a stupid way to do it. I need to find a better way to do it. And also ordered set storing. Yeah, that's just wrong. That's just wrong. I found priority ID to priority. Bro, should I actually delete my Leetcode account? That's just wrong. That's just wrong. Sum of sortable. Bro, third is a hard one. Okay, wait. So my aim is to solve the second question in 43 minutes. Of course, bro. Two questions in 43 minutes. Solve question 4, save night badge. Bro, the fuck are you doing? Solve question. Lazy deletion. Bro, what is that? I don't know. What's going with our brother, bro? ये contest भी गया. Let's spend the next 5 minutes. Okay. Mission is to save the night badge. I never thought this day would come, bro. I never thought this day would come. That is insane. Insane weekend. Mission is to save the night badge. Oh wait. In my wait. I submitted that heap solution, right? I submitted that heap solution. Yeah, this is a heap solution, right? Use my code. Now what I can do is changed priority. You've changed that priority. And wait, I feel like this can help it. Hmm. Latest. Okay. Latest priority equals to new priority. Okay. Wait, I think. Yo, give me a second. At least this looks. Yeah, I think I have something here. Latest priority. Let's call it just pri. Latest priority. Latest priority of your P0 equals to P1. Okay. We have the latest priority. Latest priority of That's fair. Now, while PQ is not empty, and ठीक है, अब इसके टाइम पे insert in heap ये भी करना पड़ेगा. Condition that changes is and wait, I think the logic becomes so much cleaner now. PQ empty नहीं है और PQ dot top latest priority of PQ dot top dot second जो ID है, it's that is not equals to PQ dot top dot first. Yeah, PQ dot top dot first, if that priority is not equals to the latest priority, okay, then what you do is just delete it. PQ dot pop. I don't think so we need anything else. Just delete it, bro. PQ dot insert your new priority comma event ID. It's pushing, stupid. What? Okay, it is a PQ dot push. Bro, what must be called? Oh, wait, we are getting null 259. Null 259. The second one is null 74 minus 1. The third test case is null 9. What should it have been? Null 9, okay. And the fourth one is null 18.5. The fourth one, null 18.5, null 9. Null 18.5, null 9. Yo, hold up. Hold up. Hold up part 2. Hold up part 2, bro. Hold up part 2. Hold up. Hold up. That's what we like to see. That's what we like to see. Chat. It's all cool, calm, and composed today. I know I'm losing my night badge today. Doesn't matter, bro. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, bro. There are ups and downs in life. Yeah, Goku, that shameless human that he is, he's laughing. He's laughing, bro. Downfall and hairfall is real. Doesn't matter, bro. We'll earn money, we'll get a transplant. Bro. Bro. Please. Please, God. What have I done wrong with you? Please, God. What have I done wrong with you, bro? But I like this logic, bro. 35 minutes. Should I give you the no, bro? No. If I deserve to lose the night badge, bro, I do. If I deserve to lose the night badge, I lose. Chill, dude. Your rank will be 1860 at lowest. 1860. You're talking about my elo? Attending the contest after so long and Leetcode is telling me that I should have missed this one as Vipul, bro. I yeah. Just say Hala Madrid and start cooking. Hala Madrid. Okay. Okay. Chill. There, I might be doing something wrong, bro. I just have to see. It's returning 13 and 13. New priority, event ID. And pq.top.first, that is the old priority, is not equal to the latest priority to its latest priority. Then you just pop it. That is useless. Okay. Okay. pq.push, new priority, latest priority of your event ID. Bro, this should have worked. No joke, this should have worked. This actually should have worked, bro. Is it storing in the correct manner? Let's just see for a moment. Okay. What was the one that gave wrong answer? This test case. Use this test case. 7622. Okay, it's storing in the correct manner. Why the hell am I getting 13 as repeated? अब यहाँ तक उसने सही स्टोर कर लिया, उसके बाद there is a update priority. 13 की 8 बना दो, ठीक है भाई. फिर 13 की 1 बना दो, ठीक है भाई. फिर it asks us to poll highest, so आपका 13 आना चाहिए, ठीक है, ठीक है. फिर it asks us to another time poll highest. अपडेट प्रायोरिटी, अपडेट प्रायोरिटी, अपडेट प्रायोरिटी, 3 अपडेट प्रायोरिटी आए, 13 की 8 बना दी वापस, ठीक है. आपने पोल हाईएस्ट करा तो 13 दे दो, ऑब्वियस बात है. फिर 13 भागो ना यार, आप भाग क्यों नहीं रहे आप? pq.top, oh these, ooh, okay, okay, okay. Okay, these assholes gave the duplicate priority, bro. Duplicate priority. What we can do is latest priority of p dot second equals to, let's just say that as -1. So until it gets updated. Okay. I found the flaw. I found the flaw in my logic. Bro, whosoever is laughing at me, bro, God is watching. 13 and 14 and null. 13 and 14 and null. 15 minus 1, 18, 5, null 9, 7, 4 minus 1, 2, 5, 9. Yo, hold up, bro. Who knows? See, okay, yeah. Where the fuck is Goku? Where the fuck is that asshole, bro? Bro is damned, I know, bro. I'm cooked, I know. But at the same time, bro, the thing is, I didn't panic. तेरा काम हो गया भाई, start with new ID. See, I know. Bro, 12k people solved second. How? Bro, at this point, I don't even care. You will come back next week for sure and do only first question. God is watching, bro. Cool, bro. This is not cool, bro. I am so bad at Leetcode now because I don't practice. I don't practice, bro. What the hell was I doing, bro? What the hell? Let's take a look at our rank, bro. Please be in 4 digits. Please be in 4 digits. 14k. Kill me. 14k. How did I save my night badge, bro? I lost it. I lost it, bro. Yeah. Bro, these people are laughing in the chat. I lost my night badge. Holy shit. Damn, bro. Chat. So-called night. Cry, but don't try. Night badge in trouble. Yeah, you're right, bro. Honestly, I don't deserve the night badge. It's fair, bro. To be a knight on lead code, you have to be good at DSA. I'm not good at DSA anymore, so I should not have the night badge. That's fair, bro. Honestly, yeah, that's fair. If we look at it that way, I don't deserve the night badge because I'm not good at lead code anymore. I'm not good at lead code anymore. Sum of sortable. These assholes gave a hard question as a third. Fair, bro. I mean, yeah, that's it, bro. I'm at the acceptance stage. At this point, I know I'm not worthy of the night badge. Incremental even weighted cycle queries. Yeah, 510 ratings lost. Yeah, I know, bro. Bro, seriously, you can do third one because I saw same concept. Third one doesn't require some special algo. You can think and do it. Bro, Vipul Singh, bro, you're laughing. Vipul, bro, you're laughing. Fourth one looks like it should be easy though. It's just DSC, 1.6k. What is the third and fourth one? The third one is an integer k is called sortable if k divides n and you can sort nums in non-decreasing. Partition nums in consecutive subarrays of length k. If k divides n, partition nums into cyclic rotate each subarray independently any amount of times to the left or right. You can sort. Okay, return an integer denoting the sum of all possible sortable integers k. Okay, so basically you're taking length n. K should be a factor of n, and we should be able to divide it. Okay. So I guess the minimum and maximum element should be in the same 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I bet you're not losing night and bro, I am. Remember the week you want 80 rating in 2 days? Yeah, bro. That I am paying for that week right now. That day will come, bro. I don't know, bro. Honestly, now all you can do is solve at least 50 DP problems till next contest, bro. That is not a bad suggestion. Bhai, I saw your entrant hub, bro. What is it? What is it? Who was all second? Ho gaya, bhai, ho gaya. What is my entrant hub, bro? Just say it at this point, bro. What do we? Bro is his own worst enemy. The fuck do you mean by that, bro? Ichigokuro. What the hell do you mean by that? -34. Bro, what is my updated rating? Accepting is maturity or bluff. Losing is sanity. See, bum, bro, shut the hell up. My current rating is 1855 and still a knight. No, what would be my updated rating if you could tell me? Let's focus on third question, bro. Losing my sanity is insane, bro. I knew this day would come, bro. I knew this day would come anyways. For n equals to 3, possible divisors are 1 and 3. For k equals to 1 each subarray, the single subarray cannot be no case sortable, hence the answer 0. So, can be rotated once to produce. What? How does even rotation works? I guess if we have, let's say, 27418, okay, let's say we grouped it like this. Okay, so in, yeah, and we basically can't even cyclic rotations, how does that help in sorting? What if we had something like 2 1? Yeah, we are cooked, bro. We are cooked. Sometimes you fuck, sometimes you get fucked. Part of the game. Yeah, fair enough, bro. Sort that and store it. Yeah, question 3, parts 1, my bro. We're not reading that. Yo, Vipul Singh, just chill out, bro. Bro, you are laughing at me, Vipul, bro. You are laughing at me. We are enemies now. I'm chill, bro. I know it happens. I mean, I'm coping. I'm coping. I hate every part of me. I'm coping. It's called sortable. You want the divisors? Let's say if it was already sorted but rotated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, then we can rotate it. The smallest element should always be the part of first cycle. Right. So what is the fourth question? Anyways, bro, I haven't done a DSU question ever. There is an undirected graph with a node label from video. Initially, the graph has no edges. You're also given a 2D. Sum of the weight of the edges for each added to the graph only if after adding it the sum of the weight of the edges in every cycle in the resulting graph is even. You're given an integer. Process the edges in the given order for each edge added to the graph only if after adding it the sum of the weights of the edges in every cycle in the resulting graph is even. Yeah, so I get why people is calling it DSU, because you find that one identifier of a cycle. Hmm. What was the DSU template? What the hell was the DSU template? DSU was basically the father of my father is your grandfather, something like that, right? This seems fair enough, bro. That are successfully added to the graph. What was the DSU? It was basically, what was the DSU template? Chad, we can see templates, bro. Bro, can we see templates? Can we see templates? I have a DSU template. Can we see templates? पहाड़ों पर चलते हैं भाई, हो गया ये सब बहुत अब. या इसके बाद निकल रहा हूँ मैं. The fuck? DSU template DSA, bro. Bro, what was the DSU DSA? बता दो बस यार तुम. So it was union find parent or resize initialize the. Okay, parent I. Oh, union find parent with each element as its own representative. Find the representative of the set that includes element I. Recursively find the representative of the parent. अब नया एज ऐड हुआ है ना. हाँ. Merge the set that includes element I and J. I and J. If I rep, find I, J rep, parent of I rep. Okay. So DSU is, let's make a unordered map of int parent. Okay. Now int find parent of let's say int x. If parent of x equals to x, not parent. Okay. Return x, else return wait. It's parent of I. Yeah. Now we have to find. Can't we just store it every time? Find parent of I. Parent of x, else you return find parent of x. Okay. So this finds the parent. What else you want another function to merge? Merge int x comma int y. So in here int parent 1 would be find parent of x. Int parent 2 would be find parent of y. And what you do now here is and what you do now here is you can just say parent 1 of parent of parent 1 equals to parent 2. That is basically it. And merge returns nothing. Void return. Okay, how many edges do we have? 10 raised to 4. Okay, I guess this is all what we need. There might be a few optimizations we have to do. Number of edges added. Auto E of your edges. You can say int u equals to uvw. Okay. E0 int v equals to I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. You can say parent of I equals to I 0 to n minus 1. Okay. V equals to E1. हम्म आपने पेरेंट निकाल लिया, हर एक एज का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव निकाल दिया। नाउ अब आपको क्या करना है? आपने हर उसका एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव निकाल दिया, बट यू ऑल्सो नीड टू स्टोर द सम, राइट? द सम। सो आई गेस इन पेरेंट, बिसाइड्स हैविंग द पेरेंट, इसका ये पेरेंट है और उसका ये सम है। Okay, let's rather store it like this: pair of int x का node x parent comma sum. हाँ, let's store it like this. Yeah, let's store it like this, right? In the merge, exactly. Auto dot dot first dot first, आप कह सकते हो उसका पेरेंट p1 p2 pair 1 pair 2. Okay, you have it like this. Int p1 equals to pair 1 dot first, pair 2 dot first, and let's say someone is pair 1 dot second, and s2 is pair 2 dot second. Now you can say इसका पेरेंट 1 का पेरेंट आपने पेरेंट 2 बना दिया, पेरेंट 2 का पेरेंट आप पेरेंट 1 बना दो, और क्या करो इसका वरना आप क्या कर सकते हो, इसका आप p1, I think it just remains as 2. Yeah, what you need to update is parent of p1 equals to p1 ही रहेगा, parent of, what the fuck am I doing, what the fuck am I doing bro? भाई बहुत बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है यार. At this point you can't even see the answer. Bro, what do you mean? When did I see the answer? When did I see the answer, bro? यार वीकेंड पे नहीं घूमेगा तो कब घूमूंगा? Bro, these people are fucking roaming about. Okay, so I'm storing x का parent और x तक का sum. What I want is the maximum representative और उस तक का sum. ठीक है, p1 is parent of x. उसका p1 का parent p1 ही होगा. p1 का parent p1 ही होगा, लेकिन उसका सम ना फिर s1 प्लस s2 हो जाएगा, और पेरेंट p y का पेरेंट. ठीक है, ओके ओके, आई थिंक आई हैव डन समथिंग हियर, आई डोंट नो. पहले उसका पेरेंट ढूंढ दो फर्स्ट। अब आपने क्या करा, सबका पेरेंट खुद रख दिया और उनका सम 0 रख दिया, ठीक है। इंट equals to ed of 2, ed, okay. Process the edges. For each edge, adds to the graph only if after adding it the sum of the weights. Find parent, find sum. Find max. You know what we can do? Pair of intent. Parent x. Parent of x. First. Parent of x. No. Let's keep it separate. Let's keep it separate. The thing is, it would be two calls for the same things, bro. Two calls for the same things. Let's not call it pair. Rep. Okay. Rep. Let's call it rep. Representative of x dot first. यहाँ पे आप कह दो rep, ठीक है। Auto p equals to find max of, let's say, u. Auto p1, p2 equals to find max of v. ओके, आपने मैक्स ढूंढ लिया है। अब आपने मैक्स ढूंढ लिया है। नाउ edge sum equals to p1 dot second plus p2 dot second if edge sum and 1, if that is equals to 0, then what you got to do is you got to merge, right? Merge u and v, that's it, and added plus plus. Return added. Bro, 7 minutes. What? Find parent. Okay, this will become find max. Dot second. Leetcode, don't do this, bro. Don't do this. I have 6 minutes remaining. Don't do this, Leetcode. Don't do this. Fin parent. Find max. Please don't do this, bro. 6 minutes remaining. First one we're getting 3. Second one we're getting 3. Bitch. We want the edge between vertex 0 and vertex 1 with weight 1. The weight, process the edges in the given order for each edge. Add it to the graph only if after adding it the sum of the weights of the edges plus e भी तो करो बेवकूफ, e तो कहीं करा ही नहीं आपने। 0 1. Yeah, I'm getting 1. I'm in the ass, bro. मर्ज uv में हम क्या कर रहे हैं, आपने पेयर निकाल लिया u और v का, ठीक है। उसका पेरेंट निकाल दिया, उसका सम निकाल दिया। अब आप क्या करोगे, रिप्रेजेंटेटिव p1 का आपने p ही रखा, सम उसमें दोनों का ऐड कर दिया, P2 को आपने P1 बना दिया, दैट इज इट, उसका S2 ही रखा। जी बिल्कुल। अब आप फाइंड मैक्स में क्या कर रहे हो, अगर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव वो बंदा खुद का खुद है तो पूरा रिटर्न कर दो, वरना फाइंड मैक्स ऑफ इसका रिप्रेजेंटेटिव। ठीक है जी बिल्कुल। क्या दिक्कत आ रही है अब? We add the edge between vertex 1 and 2 with weight 1. The edge between 0 and 2 is not added because the cycle 0, 1, 2 has a total edge weight of. We add the edge between 0 and 1 with weight 1. Why, bro? Because process the edges for each edge added to the graph only if after adding it the sum of the weights of the edges in every cycle in the resulting graph is even. Oh, it's about cycle. Oh, it's not like that. Okay. The fuck, bro? Yeah, I give up, bro. I give up. Yo, this Chand Papia is back again, bro. Bro, Chand Papia back again. गाइस, ऑल द गोस्ट पतीश कविश, मैंने कॉन्टेस्ट देना तुम लोगों को देख के शुरू किया है। जेफी ब्रो, मैं कॉन्टेस्ट छोड़ने वाला हूँ, आपने देना चालू करा है। ब्रो ब्रो, हु द फक इज चंद पपिया ब्रो? हु द हेल इज दिस? हु द हेल इज दिस ब्रो? It's about finding the cycle. Every cycle. How do you check the cycle using DSU? ये भी कुछ होता था क्या? I forgot, bro. Yeah, real food. I did 3 today, 2 under 10 minutes, third 1 minute ago. Bro, P equals to. Hell no, bro. Hell no. Oh, wait. If P1 dot first edge sum equals to P1 dot second plus P2 dot second plus E, if edge sum and 1 equals to 0 added plus plus, else added plus plus. For the first one we're getting 3 3. अबे merge भी तो कर। merge u comma v, merge u comma v, 3 2. Please God, please God. How many wrong? 228. Okay, fair, bro. Fair. 101 021 120. Not first. Okay. Okay, bro. Bro. Chand Tatti, bro. Who the fuck is Chand Papiu, bro? Who the fuck is that, bro? Who the hell is that? Yeah, bro. In second question, I don't know heap, so I used other method and I got 780. Bro, heap was the worst one. 1-3 done only. Bro, Chand Tatti, bro. What the hell happened again, bro? I'm expecting some 150 plus 200 in both yesterday's today contest. Leetcode is easy, guy, bro. This, bro. I'm about to beat your ass, bro. Chand Papiya, bro. I'm about to, bro. I think I have a good personality, but no, how's this possible? Goku, bro. You're asking about that guy who don't know what a female. I've never shaked even a female's hand, bro. There, I said it. Okay, I guess we need to talk. What is wrong with me? What is wrong with me? Why have I become so ass at Leetcode, bro? I use map answer set in second, bro. Teach me how to do the second question. Try third. Stop ho gaya. Bro, third one. Bro, see, I always knew it. You know what? Let's be a man and check our entrant hub. Dude, you just need regular solving. That's it. Yeah, I've not been practicing, bro. Second is easy, bro. Aditya Ghosh 6170. You're using a goddamn Ghibli DP. Bro, you're using a Ghibli DP and then saying that second is done. What are you like in first year of college? Oh, for second question, thing like Dijkstra's algo using set. Man, just track the event ID with its priority using map. Fourth is a CP type question. Bro, someone tell me what did I do wrong, bro? I'm an idiot. I'm an asshole. Yeah. Hell. Someone tell me what did I do wrong? What the hell is Ghibli? Bro, this right, you guys don't know it, Ghibli DP, that chat GPT shit that people used to do. This. My bro was using this DP and then telling me that second is easy, bro. Like, shut up. Show the answer. You solved two. Yeah, bro, I solved two. Second समझा सकता हूँ. Final year में भाई. Yeah, bro, I'm joking. Chill, bro. I'm sorry if I was mean. See, the reason is I'm ass at lead, so that's why I might sound mean. Where is my second? Chat, this is how I did. Bro, my code is so trash. 15k people did it, bro. Let's be honest. There's no way 15k people did it, honestly, bro. There's no way 15k people did it. भाई पहाड़ों पे निकल मैं भी स्विमिंग पूल निकल रहा. Same, bro. Same. So in second, use the map to track the event ID with its priority, and use set pair intent. You overkilled it, bhai. Absolutely, bro. I'm trash. I'm trash. Second question is easy, bro. Was second actually easy? Oh, I thought it's some DP variant, bro. This is some shit code. 100%. 100%, bro. I know this is shit code. मैं custom comparator बना रहा. क्या कर रहा पता नहीं भाई. क्या ही कर रहा था मैं. I overkilled it. 100%. If you look at it this way, bro, is this still an overkill? Is this still an overkill? YouTube से कुछ खर्चा पानी आया क्या after monetization? Bro, I didn't even see. PyDQ plus hash map approach. I did it that. Set of priority on an event ID. Bro, hold on. Map and multi set. मैंने बोला था ना तेरा all kill होगा. Bro. Chill out. Chill out. Okay, give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Okay. Okay. I need to focus, bro. I need to focus. Somebody teach me. How do we do that? Oh, give me a second. Yeah. But if you're using a set, why don't worry, hair fall का just beard के head पे लगा देना भाई. The point is मेरी beard भी तो नहीं आती. Look at this. Look at this. Bro, this I can't grow beard, bro. I can't grow beard. Discord chat पर आजा. आओ कभी मुंबई घूमने. भाई 1 रुपया नहीं है. Somebody teach me, bro. I'm coming on Discord, bro. I'm coming on Discord. भाई बर्बाद हो गया ये वाला तो. बर्बाद हो गया. वो MPP हटाया नहीं इसलिए हो गया. I'm gonna teach you how to out plus body count. Bro is low on yo, shut up, bro. I'm anything but low on testosterone. Let's hop on to Discord, bro. Somebody teach my stupid ass how to do DSA, bro. 6.8k rank. This guy is crying about 6.8k when I got 12k, bro. Pimple gooning se ho raha hai. Yo, today is not the day, bro. Today is not the day. No gooning jokes today, bro. I'm already so mad. Let me help you. It is just multi-set, priority event ID, and that's it. Learn that. Multiply by Ooh. You Chand Papia with a crazy trick, bro. Bro, damn, bro. That is so smart. I could have skipped that. Wait, what is multi-set in CPP? Yo, Chand Papia gets my salute, bro. That stores elements in a sorted manner. Unlike a set allows for duplicate values. It is defined in the set header file. Okay, it allows duplicate values. Damn, in descending order. Bro, that's crazy. That is crazy. तो मैं यही तो कह रहा था नेगेटिव करने को. Zephy org भाई मैंने पढ़ा नहीं था. Sorry. I use set pair intent and a map intent बस. Multi set नहीं लगेगा. Okay, bro. Aditya Ghosh, bro. Come on to Discord. Whosoever thinks they have a good solution, bro, teach me. Come on to Discord. I'm joining, bro. Come on to Discord. Buddhist. For those who showed up, question 2 was a direct application of Fermat's little theorem. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I'm cooked. VT, bro. Thanks. I'll take a look at this after this. Hello. Let me turn on the virtual camera. भाई किसके कितने हुए भाई? किसके कितने हुए? जनरल चैट देख एक बार.
जीरो भाई जीरो.
आदेश भाई 0 कैसे हुए आपके?
20 minutes लेट तो ज्वाइन ही नहीं किया.
See, this is what we call unmanly भाई. अब ये क्या बात है भाई? मैंने शुरू से स्टार्ट करा. मेरी 16 की रैंक है भाई. क्या बात कर रहे हो?
भाई 20 minutes भाई लेट जगह तो क्यों ही दो कॉन्टेस्ट.
क्यों ही दो यार. कोई ना, चलो लेजी. द क्वेश्चन देखे आपने?
नहीं अभी तक नहीं देखा. अभी ट्राई करूंगा सॉल्व करने की.
करना भाई मस्त है भाई. कोई और जो मुझे सिखा सके भाई. अरे वर्थ इट सर आ गए.
कितने हुए?
यार ये मत पूछो प्लीज. 2 ही हुए भाई. उसमें दूसरे में भी 4 पेनल्टीज. भाई आई एम ट्रैश. सेकंड क्वेश्चन का कोई बढ़िया सॉल्यूशन हो किसी के पास. मैंने हीप से करा है बहुत ही सड़े हुए तरीके से. Bro, there was that guy Aditya Ghosh, right? Let me turn on. What do you mean, bro? Bhai, anybody? Chat, damn, आज तो there's nobody to even explain us the solution. Yeah, you can also do it with set, but I always use a multi-set as I am flexible in it. मेरे पास है hash map plus priority queue. Bro, then come on to Discord, right? Come on to Discord. Yo, why? भाई कोई किसी का सेकंड क्वेश्चन हुआ और अपना सॉल्यूशन शेयर करना चाहता है तो यार कोई तो होगा. सार्थक भाई आपने तो कर ही रखा होगा.
मैंने रिवर्स से स्टार्ट किया था.
हाँ
तो 4th हुआ
हाँ.
1 घंटे बाद.
इतना भयानक
और
है 4th?
थर्ड हाँ मतलब उसमें मतलब आई डोंट नो और कोई सिंपल तरीका हो तो. मैंने मे बी कॉम्प्लिकेट किया हो बट हाँ मुझे तो टफ लगा.
अच्छा
और
जी.
थर्ड भी मेरा 932 पे एक्सेप्ट हुआ.
तो मतलब आपका सिर्फ 4th
तो
हुआ
अभी
है?
सिर्फ फोर्थ हुआ है.
भाई इसीलिए मेरा कॉन्टेस्ट बेकार गया है ब्रो. माई परफॉर्मेंस इज डायरेक्टली कोरिलेटेड टू सार्थक भाई। उनका अच्छा नहीं जाएगा तो मेरा भी बेकार गया। ओके नाउ आई गेट इट। ओके डिस्कॉर्ड लिंक देना भाई। किसी और ने करा है? अथर्व भाई आपने कर रखा होगा ना
हाँ किसी है ना।
भाई? जरा समझा दो यार, सेकंड क्वेश्चन समझा दो, सेकंड क्वेश्चन समझा दो अच्छे से।
एक मिनट आ रहा हूँ फिर समझा रहा हूँ।
किसी के पास
अबे
बढ़िया
अबे
सॉल्यूशन भाई?
देख खुदीश,
हाँ जी कविश भाई कैसे हो?
बढ़िया भाई, जाओ मेरा सॉल्यूशन देख जल्दी से।
देखते हैं भाई सेकंड वाला।
हाँ भाई, 2 ही हुए हैं मेरे से, तीसरा नहीं हुआ।
क्या रैंक बन रही है भाई?
आई डोंट नो यार, 13,000 समथिंग है आई थिंक।
दैट्स माय ब्रदर भाई। कविश भाई इसलिए अपने असली भाई है। अगर हमने सड़ा हुआ कॉन्टेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस दिया तो वो भी देंगे। एक मिनट, मेरी कितनी बन रही है?
सेकंड वाला उतना हार्ड नहीं था।
ये कौन बोला भाई? अतर्व भाई आप
अच्छा,
बोले?
हाँ।
मेरी
हाँ
बन
एक्चुअली सही बोल रहा है भाई वो।
अरे
अबे
उसमें ये
यार।
था कि जो अपडेट करने वाला स्टेप था ना, वहाँ
हाँ
पे रिमूव नहीं करना था ओल्ड प्रायोरिटी क्यू में।
हाँ बस।
और जब वो चेक करते टाइम ना उसको हटा देना था।
हाँ अगर मैच नहीं होती, ये मेरे को बाद में समझ आया यार, मैं पैदल अकल हूँ। कोई ना, एक मिनट। अच्छा भाई कस्टम कंपैरेटर यूज करा है कविश ने भी। सेट ऑफ पेयर इंट इंट st, ये क्या है भाई? ये क्या है कविश भाई?
अरे वो था ना, मतलब ये था ना कि पहले तो उसको उससे सॉर्ट करना था, सेकंड वाले से।
पहले तो
और अगर वो
प्रायोरिटी
इक्वल
से करना था हाँ।
इक्वल प्रायोरिटी है,
हाँ
हाँ, और अगर इक्वल प्रायोरिटी है तो जिसकी
अच्छा
इवेंट
अच्छा।
आईडी सबसे कम थी उसको रिटर्न करना था।
ओ मतलब ये जो कस्टम कंपैरेटर है वो सीधा सेट पे लगा दिया, मैं हिप पे लगा रहा था। अरे
हाँ हाँ।
ये तो इतना बेटर है
कस्टम कंपैरेटर की जगह पता है आईडी को ना नेगेटिव में स्टोर कर लेना था।
भाई।
जो
बिल्कुल ये मेरे को हाँ अभी पता चला भाई। चंद पपिया जेफी और इन्होंने बताया भाई। क्या स्मार्ट तरीका है यार, क्या स्मार्ट तरीका है
अबे ये
भाई।
चंद पप्पी भाई, ये सटायरिकली बोल रहा है या फिर एक्चुअली, मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा
हाँ
भाई।
मेरे को भी भाई पता नहीं। ब्रो माइंड जस्ट बी अ बूमर, क्या बता। लेकिन आइडिया अच्छा था भाई, नेगेटिव वाला वो मेरे को नहीं समझ आया था भाई। आइडिया अच्छा था। तो ये अच्छा सेट भी यूज
नेगेटिव
करा
वाला क्या?
कि
नेगेटिव वाला क्या बताइए?
rather than making this पूरा एंटायर कस्टम कंपैरेटर की पहला ग्रेटेस्ट चाहिए दूसरा स्मॉलेस्ट चाहिए, अब दूसरी वैल्यू को नेगेटिव स्टोर कर लो, है ना?
ओ हाँ, दैट मेक सेंस भाई, दैट्स स्मार्ट।
हाँ
हम्म।
यही तो लॉजिक है भाई, इससे कस्टम कंपैरेटर। वरना ऑनेस्टली मैंने नेट से सिंटैक्स देखा भाई, मेरे को आता नहीं था। इफ ए इज
भाई
नॉट इक्वल
ऑब्वियसली भाई, मैंने भी नेट से ही देखा यार।
तो भाई ओएम ही नहीं कर पाते ना हम, इवेंट मैनेजर। बाकी तो आगे सेम है। एक मिनट, ठीक है वो इंसर्ट कर दिया। एमपी क्या है भाई? एमपी
मैप है वो जो, वो था ना,
प्रायोरिटी।
चेंज करने के लिए, अपडेट वगैरह करने के लिए कुछ,
हाँ
उसके
हाँ
लिए मैप
हाँ
बनाना पड़ा।
ओके। अच्छा अब अपडेट प्रायोरिटी में अगर वो है ही नहीं, ठीक है। वैसे टेक्निकली इसकी तो नीड नहीं होगी क्योंकि वो हमेशा एग्जिस्ट तो करेगा जिसकी अपडेट करने के लिए कह रहा है वो, है ना? int p equals to it।
आई मीन हाँ, आई गेस, बट सेफ रहने के लिए मैंने वो लिख दिया है।
भाई को टीएलई नहीं चाहिए, रॉन्ग एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं चाहिए। int p equals to id डॉट सेकंड, न्यू प्रायोरिटी कर दिया, पुराना इरेज करके नया कर दिया। आईडी यार फेयर इनफ भाई, मैंने प्रायोरिटी क्यू में हक दिया यार। कोई रॉन्ग अटेम्प्ट मिले क्या? कितने भाई वो मिले इसमें, रॉन्ग एक्सेप्टेंस मिले कविश भाई को?
नहीं नहीं, पहले मैं सेट यूज नहीं कर रहा था एक्चुअली, मैंने भी पहले प्रायोरिटी क्यू यूज किया था, तो उसमें मेरे को क्या कहते हैं, टीएलई आ रहा था, आई डोंट नो फॉर सम रीजन, तो मैंने कहा भाई हटाओ इसको, वैसे ही मेरा दिमाग खराब हो रहा था, तो मैं सेट पे शिफ्ट हो गया।
टीएलई तो इसलिए आ रहा होगा भाई, आप वो जा रहे होगे इन्फिनिट लूप में।
आई डोंट नो यार, मेरा भाई दिमाग खराब, मेरे को पसंद ही नहीं है भाई ये
सही भाई।
हीप
लीड
वगैरह,
कोड,
इसलिए मैंने।
लीड कोड मेरे को भी नहीं पसंद। अरे आदित्य घोष भाई आए, आदित्य घोष भाई। भाई अगर आप अनम्यूट करके बताना चाहेंगे, आपने चैट पे लिखा था मुझे पता है। लवली सॉन्ग इन योर आईजी पोस्ट, थैंक्स भाई। भाई थर्ड थर्ड करा है किसी ने यार? कोई थर्ड ही समझा दो यार। अच्छा थर्ड सार्थक भाई ने तो करा होगा।
मैं कॉन्टेस्ट के बाद सबमिट हुआ है, और किसी ने यहाँ पे थर्ड फोर्थ करा है?
भाई नो आइडिया यार, चैट में तो लोग कह रहे थे फोर्थ हो
मैंने
गया।
तो किया था थर्ड।
किसने करा है? अतर भाई करा है, आपने समझा दो यार।
अरे थर्ड में वो अरे ब्रूट फोर्स टाइप का ही करना है बस, उसमें ज्यादा वो नहीं है।
थर्ड इज इजी था, ब्रूट फोर्स। चलो ठीक है, फिर मैं ऐसा करता हूँ, थर्ड रहने देता हूँ, क्योंकि थर्ड ना मैंने ट्राई भी नहीं करा है।
बट एकदम ब्रूट फोर्स करोगे ना तो उसमें टीएलई आ जाएगा। वो जो
अच्छा,
चेक करने वाला स्टेप है ना कि रोटेट करके वो मैच हो रहा है कि नहीं, वहां पे थोड़ा सा ऑप्टिमाइज करना था मुझे।
क्या वो क्या है, मतलब ब्रूट फोर्स ही है?
मतलब ऑलमोस्ट ब्रूट फोर्स है, बट जैसे एक सब एरे बना बना के ना उसको चेक करना था बस कि रोटेशन है, और रोटेशन में थोड़ा सा ऑप्टिमाइजेशन था।
क्या सड़े हुए क्वेश्चन जा रहे हैं।
बाकी ऐसा कोई
थर्ड इजी था।
मतलब था, इजी था।
यार इजी तो नहीं था भाई, क्या क्या रैंक है यार आपकी भाई अथर भाई?
मेरी 2.4 के। रुक, एक
2.4 के
सेकंड चेक
भाई
कर लो।
साहब, भाई साहब प्रो होते जा रहे हो
नहीं,
यार।
2.8 के, 2.8 के।
भाई साहब 2.8 के,
क्या चेक कर।
अलग
नहीं,
ही हो।
2.3 हो गई यार। 2.3 है।
2.3 हो गई?
2.3। हाँ, अभी रिफ्रेश किया, चेक नहीं किया था।
भाई मेरी चल रही है 14,600। शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश। भाई फोर्थ तो फिर आप आई गेस इतना टफ है मेरे को वैसे ही आने नहीं वाला है। सार्थक भाई को 1.5 घंटा लगा।
कल कितनी रैंक थी भाई सुधीश?
कल का कॉन्टेस्ट मैंने दिया नहीं भाई, कल का कॉन्टेस्ट
रात
दिया
को
नहीं।
दिया तो था ना।
नहीं, अबे भाई,
दिया था, मैंने खुद ने लाइव देखा है।
तो भाई फिर रैंक क्यों पूछ रहे हो यार? देखा है तो ये क्या जानबूझ के यार तुम नमक छिड़क
अरे
रहे हो उस पे?
मैं छोड़ के चले गया था ना बीच में लाइव।
हाँ तो मैंने वही कॉन्टेस्ट बंद कर दिया था, नहीं दिया था कल का कॉन्टेस्ट
अरे
भाई।
मेरी भी इतनी अच्छी नहीं गया था, मेरा भी 6-7 हजार रैंक थी।
हाँ मेरी भी अराउंड इतनी होगी यार, आई गेस, पता नहीं, याद नहीं। याद नहीं भाई, याद नहीं, मेरी भी अराउंड इतनी होगी, 4-5 डिजिट में होगी मैक्स टू मैक्स।
मेरा इसके पहले पिछले हफ्ते का बहुत बेकार गया था, 50 माइनस गई थी।
50 माइनस मेरी भी इस हफ्ते। ब्रो शुड वी चेक इंटरनेट, अब मेरी भी इतनी होने वाली है भाई। 50 माइनस तो गारंटीड भाई, गारंटीड हुई 50 माइनस। तो वायरस रोटेट करने के बाद सेम होंगे या नहीं उसके लिए। ओके ओके, गार्डियन भाई ओपी। ठीक है भाई। आदित्य भाई तो अनम्यूट नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो चैट पे लिख रहे थे कि ही कैन हेल्प मी, बट ही इज नॉट अनम्यूटिंग। सेकंड क्वेश्चन हमने समझ लिया, फोर्थ आने नहीं वाला, थर्ड मैं ट्राई कर लूंगा। सो आई गेस दैट्स इट, आज का डिस्कशन इतना ही रखते हैं, एटलीस्ट ऑन दिस मीट। ठीक है, अब देखते हैं भाई अगले हफ्ते मैं कॉन्टेस्ट दूंगा कि भी नहीं, या मेरे को भी अब फेक आईडी बनानी पड़ेगी। चैट आई माई जस्ट क्रिएट अ फेक आईडी नाउ। क्या रैंक आया पुलिस? ब्रो आई डिडंट गिव टुडेस कॉन्टेस्ट। ओके भाई, थैंक्स फॉर दिस डिस्कशन, बाय बाय, लेट्स मीट ऑन नेक्स्ट। यो शैतान भाई आए हैं भाई, शैतान भाई।
हेलो।
हेलो भाई, हेलो, कैसा गया कॉन्टेस्ट?
ठीक ही था।
ठीक ही था, अच्छा अब कितनी रैंक आई?
25 25 2.5 सॉरी।
ठीक था ये, अच्छा शाबाश शाबाश। कितने क्वेश्चन हुए भाई?
3
एक बार ये अपने सेकंड का सॉल्यूशन दिखाना यार।
कहाँ?
अगर
मैंने वो अभी सबमिट करके रखा है, अब देख लो।
अच्छा तो मैं ही देखता हूँ, हाँ चलो ओके भाई, देखते हैं सेकंड का सॉल्यूशन, देखते हैं। शैतान की आईडी थी भाई, क्या आईडी थी? मेरे
एस
इसमें दिखा
एच
क्यों नहीं
एस
रहा?
एच आई अंडरस्कोर एस एच
अंडरस्कोर,
आई अंडरस्कोर
हाँ तान, दैट्स इट।
डैश।
अच्छा डैश, शैतान 1984 भाई साहब। डिजाइन इवेंट मैनेजर, मैप में एक में पेयर इंट। भाई आपके कोड की हमेशा इतनी परफेक्ट इंडेंटेशन और स्पेसिंग कैसे होती है यार? एमपीपी, एमपी2, इवेंट आईडी, अच्छा नेगेटिव स्टोर करा है भाई। दो मैप क्यों बनाया भाई?
एक मैप मान लो आपको आप जब अपडेट करोगे प्रायोरिटी, तो आपको हटाना भी तो है
पुरानी,
इवेंट आईडी
हाँ
हिसाब से।
हाँ हाँ, अच्छा अच्छा, ट्रैक करने
तो
के लिए।
वो आप कैसे हटाओगे? हाँ।
समझ गया, पुरानी आईडी निकालने के लिए। ओके, एमपीपी 2, भाई साहब, ये ही सड़ी हुई हरकत अगर मैं ना करता, वो है हीप वाली, मेरे भी हो जाते सब में नेगेटिव में स्टोर करा है। इससे होगा क्या, वो प्रायोरिटी ग्रेटेस्ट उठाएगा और इवेंट आईडी भी। अच्छा, ओके 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 ओके, इवेंट आईडी वो सबसे छोटी उठाएगा, बिकॉज सबसे फिर ठीक है भाई। अच्छा, हीप से किसी ने नहीं करा, मतलब मैं ही एक पागल हूँ जिसने हीप से करा है, तभी मेरा इतना गलत शलत आ रहा था। सेट में यूज कर सकते, ओके यार। हीप की जरूरत ही क्या होती है फिर, अगर सेट सेट ही है तो? सेट में अगर वो सॉर्टेड ऑर्डर में स्टोर कर रहा है, हीप की क्या जरूरत होती है फिर? कोई बता सकता है भाई? एनी प्रो हेयर?
डायक्स्ट्रा में यूज होता है ना कि
हाँ, डाइक्स्ट्रा में हो गया।
आइडियली आइडियली मोस्ट केसेस में हम अगर डीएसए की बात करें तो
हाँ
सेट यूज कर सकते हैं प्रायोरिटी क्यू की जगह।
हाँ,
बट बहुत सारी जगह होती हैं जहां पर प्रायोरिटी क्यू एक अलग डेटा स्ट्रक्चर है, अलग यूज केस है उसका, और कुछ चीजें होती है जो हम सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते। डीएसए में हार्डली होता है ऐसा।
तो अच्छा, ये मैंने आज रियलाइज करा कि भाई हीप जैसे सड़े हुए डेटा स्ट्रक्चर की नीड ही नहीं है, हर जगह सेट यूज कर सकते हो आप। उससे इतना इजी बन गया भाई आज का कोड। ओ वन में पॉप करने में, ओ अच्छा, ओ वन में पॉप करने के लिए, ओके, मेक सेंस। ठीक है भाई, धन्यवाद समझाने के लिए, थैंक्स भाई। लेट्स मीट नेक्स्ट संडे है। अब कॉन्टेस्ट संडे, मेरे को प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी भाई, आज तो नाइट बैच मैंने खो दिया है। लेट्स मीट नेक्स्ट संडे, थैंक यू, बाय बाय। चैट, एंट्रेंट हब कर पुलिस जेफी ब्रो, चिल चिल, एंट्रेंट हब कर, चिल भाई, कर लेंगे यार, क्यों डर रहे हो, कर लेंगे। आप अपना यूजर नेम बताओ, अपना यूजर नेम बताओ, कर लेते हैं। मैं अपनी नहीं करूंगा, आप अपना बताओ। नो डब्ल्यू टिल नेक्स्ट वीक, पिछले हफ्ते कुछ प्रॉमिस करके गया था। व्हाट अबाउट योर प्रोजेक्ट ब्रो? या आई मीन सी दैट इज अ वाइब। ओके ब्रो, लेट मी शो व्हाट आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट। ये है ना आज वीकली कॉन्टेस्ट। हाउ मच वाज आई लूजिंग येस्टरडे, एक बारी कल का तो देख लेते हैं, मैं भूल गया। हाउ मच वाज आई लूजिंग येस्टरडे ब्रो? हाउ मच वाज आई लूजिंग येस्टरडे? आई गॉट -32 कल। अब पे 11,000 रैंक पे -32 हो रहा है, तो आज तो -40 होगा, so I'll get -70. You're telling me I'll get -70? Holy shit bro. उत्कर्ष का देखो भाई, जेफी ऑर्ग इज +30, दिस asshole, that's why he was yesterday +2 हो रहा था, बोला तो था ब्रो। प्रदीप ब्रो, shut your bitch ass up bro, shut up bro. You got a look alike in धुरंधर bro, धुरंधर 2 में एंड में लास्ट हैवी ड्राइवर तेरे जैसे दिखता है, एसपी असलम जिसने उड़ाया। ब्रो not at all, his hairline is 10 times more receded than mine. Is it worse or you were expecting more? I was expecting, नहीं कल ही इतनी गिरी है तो आज तो और गिरेगी ना, that's what I was like. क्या फर्क पड़ता है रैंकिंग से, जाने दे, जस्ट शो द प्रोजेक्ट। ओके भाई, लेट्स डू वी डू दैट। कल -9 हुआ था भाई मेरा। भाई आज आपने कर खींच तो लिया ना, मैं खींच भी नहीं पाया। व्हाट आई वाज डूइंग ना, कि पहले सॉल्यूशन खुद से करो, फिर उसको ड्राई रन करो, फिर उसको चैट जीपीटी डाल के थोड़ा आइडिया ले लो, फिर खुद से करो, इज दैट अप्रोच। भाई दिव्या दिव्या मी, दिव्या दिव्या हाइफन मी 7JP, प्लीज मुझसे आप डीएसए एडवाइस ना पूछिए। आई एम ट्रैश एट डीएसए। आपने आज का कॉन्टेस्ट देखा होगा भाई, कुछ नहीं हुआ भाई मुझसे। भाई आई वाज अनेबल टू पेस्ट इन माय सॉल्यूशन इन डिस्कॉर्ड, चेक कर लियो। ओके आदित्य भाई, मुझे लगा यू वर लाइक नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग। नो नो वरीज ब्रो। कविश भाई की कितनी हो रही है? कविश भाई की कितनी हो रही है? -28। दैट इज माय ब्रदर, कविश भाई अपने भाई है। थैंक यू ब्रो। हम रेटिंग लूज करते तो ये भी रेटिंग लूज करते हैं, इसको कहते हैं भाईचारा ब्रो। एनी अदर गाय हुज लूजिंग रेटिंग, कल +24, आज +17 ब्रो, शट अप ब्रो। वी डोंट वांट हियर अबाउट किसके प्लस आए हैं, जिसके नेगेटिव आए हैं वो ही भाईचारा में गिना जाएगा। दिपिन ग्रोवर -12, ये है भाईचारा, दैट इज व्हाट वी लाइक टू से। दिपिन ग्रोवर ब्रो, यू आर माय ब्रो। कृष्णा कृषांक कृष्णा Kant Pathi. Krishna Kant Pathi. Kant Pathi. Krishna Kant Pathi. Okay. -3. Hell yes, bro. Abbe bhai. He's getting -3 at 6.8k rank. -14k. And my rating is like 1900 something. So, मेरी तो bro, chat, will I go into 1700s today? Will I go into 1700s today, bro? Holy shit, bro. How is placement going on in Mate? Are you 2026 pass out or 2025? 2026. Pradeep bro, let's take a look at this. Bhai did not even attempt. What is he talking about? You know what? Let's stop being a kyer and let's look at our rating, bro. Chat, let me look at my rating. मेरी कितनी ऊपर नीचे जा रही है? Should I do it? Should I do it? 3, 2, 1. $18.49 -34. Chad, I'm officially no longer a knight. Officially no longer a knight, bro. No longer a knight, bro. I gave, let's go. Bro, James Peralta को ऐड करो. Is he? Bro, today आज तो मैंने हगा है भाई. Is he live, bro? Is he live? Is he live? Bro, he is live. Code forces, bro, but he's not doing lead code, bro. He's not doing lead code. I am no longer an registrar में भी set use करा जा सकता है. Yeah, bro, I feel like then let's just start a petition to delete priority queue. It's trash. And in fact, using set is better. Exactly, bro. Let's just delete priority queue from existence. It's useless. Wine will probably make you feel better. I've not checked, but it'll be low. Okay, भाई सार्थक भाई की देखते हैं. सार्थक भाई की देखते हैं. Worth it. Worth it आ क्यों नहीं रहा? -85. But the point is, bhai, bro is still a guardian. I don't even deserve to check his rating because he's a guardian and I am not even a knight. I'm not even a knight, bro. I'm not even a knight. What are you learning right now for placement? AIML or web dev? Bro, I'm interning Divya-me7JP. I'm currently interning. For next contest, what topics to focus more on? Bhai, okay. DP, that Fermat's little theorem, ये सब तो करना है. So registrar में duplicates नहीं रहेंगे. Registrar में duplicates नहीं रहेंगे. Because instead we will not have any duplicates and in fact using, yeah, you're right भाई कुछ टिप्स दे दे. मैं तो 1500 नहीं पहुंच पा रहा 35 कॉन्टेस्ट के बाद भी. भाई मेरे से टिप्स ना लो अब भाई. Go into Discord. DSU. Check mine, bro. Cynically sane. Let's check Athar's, bro. Athar Agre. Let's check yours. Bro's gonna get a +30 or something. I knew it. +30. 1877. Congrats, bro. Congrats. I'm trash. Pudichi. RF Samar Jain, bro. Shut up. I've checked mine already. दिव्या का नाम लेकिन क्या. Bro, chill out. Som07. Chris Bumstead always laughs at me, bro. Let's take a look at his rating. +2. Bro, everybody is getting a plus today. Okay, you know what? Forget about this. PQ maybe होगा n log n, but you will need this array for that. Otherwise, extra में PQ use करने से n square आता. अच्छा, makes sense. Okay. It's been a long time since I practiced this extra. Not many people know this. Yeah, I guess Striver ने दोनों versions बताए थे. I remember. भाई, where are you currently doing internship in Ion? रेटिंग का क्या सीन होता है? आई मीन सेम स्कोर्स एंड सिमिलर रैंक्स पर रेटिंग इतना डिफरेंट कैसे होता है? भाई आपकी करंट रेटिंग भी तो होती है. यू कैन गो. लीडकोड ने एक आर्टिकल छापा है अबाउट देयर एल्गोरिथम टू कैलकुलेट रेटिंग. आपकी करंट रेटिंग क्या है वो भी तो बहुत डिपेंड करती है. आई नेवर लाफ ब्रो. व्हाट आर यू सेइंग? ओके, सॉरी ब्रो, सॉरी. Okay, never mind, bro. Fuck Leetcode. We don't give a shit about Leetcode. Let me show you that stupid project that I was working on. भाई vibe code ही कर रहा हूँ. What even am I working on? It's just about more about the idea. Let me show you. My tech stack is GitHub, Copilot, CLI, Claude, right? Yeah, these two, Codex. And these assholes, when I bought the GitHub student developer pack, bro, they removed Claude from GitHub Copilot. As soon as I opened my VS Code, my computer has started blasting air out. Never mind, bro, but it isn't completed yet. A wise man. Bro, मेरा contest check करो. कृष्णा कांत पाटिल. करा तो भाई अभी. आज का fourth was easier than third. Bro, आदित्य घोष, bro. यहाँ second नहीं हो रहे. A wise man once said, yo, 148. 3 to the 6 to the 9 representing ABQ. What's up, yeah? What is bro yapping? What is bro yapping? Okay. Okay, let me show the project. It isn't anything crazy, bro. Yesterday, bro. Oh, कल का. Okay. Okay, चल रहा है भाई. मेरा computer is kind of slow. It is loading. npm run dev. Next dev. Bro, I fucked up really bad into this contest. Let me share my screen. Okay, it works. Not the dashboard. Take me to the login page. Chat, this is honestly, bro, this is not what my idea was. Okay, let me tell you my idea before I show you the project. My idea was screen nahi dikh rahi teri. Ab dikhegi. My idea was, why not I basically document my life. I read a very good quote that what is not measured cannot be managed. So what I thought is basically just how we as coders are so obsessed with Leetcode ka heat map ho gaya, GitHub ka heat map ho gaya. Why not make a heat map for life wherein kuch nahi, basically at the end of every day you just rate your day and write a short note ki how was your day, what all good things did you do, what all did you not do, right? Basically, how was your day? And it all appears in the form of a heat map, like we have in Leetcode, like we have in GitHub. Taki every week that another part of this is, first of all, you're documenting your life. After every few days you can see that, okay, this is how my life is going. On top of that, we stream on every weekend, right? I can just come after every week, review how my week has been by showing that heat map. Check yours. Some of you, let's say if I make this, if I host this, you guys start using it, you document your life. I see, okay, आपका कैसा गया, मेरा कैसा. Basically, yeah, that was the stupid idea that I had in mind. I need to sign. Wait, the fuck, bro? What, bro? What? आपका कैसा गया मैं. Night gone, bro. I know, bro. Bro, vibe coding, checking session. What the hell, bro? What the hell? This page cannot be found? Bro, it was working last night. Get started. Bro, this was working last night. I swear to God, bro. This was working last night. I swear to God, bro. Use Docker, bro. Bro, what? Bro, I need to beat Copilot's ass, bro. I need to beat his ass. Do we have some... Bro, there are no errors or something? I need to beat Copilot's ass, bro. The hell is it doing? Why can't it find the page? Bro. Checking session. Yeah, that's crazy. Auth पे भी नहीं लेके जा रहा भाई. auth पे भी नहीं लेके जा रहा. What requests are? Yeah, this is trash, bro. Trash. Never mind. From get started to start again. Damn. This is embarrassing. Go restart the server, bro. Bro, I feel like last night, maybe because I told this. That's crazy. Bro, which agent should I use if maybe the agent I'm using is trash, bro? I'm using what? Auto mode, but it generally uses codecs. It generally uses codecs. Localhost 3000. Get started. Okay. Yo, chill. Chill. Can I directly access the dashboard? We cannot. Okay, it's working. It's working. Checking your session. Yeah, basically something like this. If we go into month on month view, like these are my entries. Yeah, I did nothing all day, hoping the contest goes good. This was my entry for yesterday. And you do know what happened yesterday. Let's add an entry for today. It's 29th, right? The rating would be 1. Worst day of my life. Fucked up the contest again after. Bro, what? I mistakenly. Yo, chill. This is my issue. Worst day of my life. Fucked up another contest with a 5-digit rank. Lost my night badge. Save entry. Bro, what? Update entry, bro. This is the worst day. Update entry. So my Sunday has already become a negative. Yeah, this was the idea. I don't know, bro. All this code just to data entry. That's true, bro. That's true. That's true. How did you solve second? It's very doable with one map and one set. Bro, I used a priority queue, bro. Priority queue. Bro, add a feature so that we can see others' note on a day to. Of course, bro, I will. That is my main plan. So that every week when we come on the stream, we review each other's week. That's it. We stream weekly, right? Everything was fine until that IG post. नहीं करनी चाहिए थी, bro. You are right. नहीं करनी चाहिए थी. नहीं करनी चाहिए थी, भाई. But there's a lot of life out of Leetcode, not worst day. Yeah, that's fair, bro. That's fair. See, the point is, at the end of the week, we can review each other's. How did our week go? How did our week go, bro? But all this code just to data entry, bro. 9am games is an asshole, bro. But yeah, I know trash contest. Maybe I should have not posted on Instagram, bro. I'm not posted on Instagram, bro. What is your college SEM exam CGPA SGPA? 8.2 or something. You know what? Take a look at my IG post. This ruined everything. This ruined everything. Chat. Big fan, sir. Vedansh Tomar, bro. Bro, you got TLE on second? TLE. No, I got wrong acceptance. Never a TLE. Never a TLE. Never a TLE. Let me delete that. I don't want to embarrass. Delete what? Delete what? Let's plan a meetup. Where, bro? Developer. I don't think so. Anybody is here from Delhi. Bro, is there any 10 by 10 hus in your college? We have 0 females in our class. We have 0 females in our class, bro. Bro, deploy this. I'm gonna use this. Summit, bro. Exactly. Summit. You are my brother. You are my brother. See, हमें लीड कोड पे इतनी स्ट्रिक बनाने की आदत है. इसमें बनाने का क्या दिक्कत है? It's just writing a short note about your day and giving it a rating. And after every week, we come live and we review each other's week. I'll make a feature so that we can see each other's entries, right? We can see that heat map, what has been for yours versus mine, right? I think that's an okayish idea. That has some potential, bro. That has some potential. Deploy this. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna beat Copilot's ass for that error that happened today. And probably I'll vibe code it more today. Favorite scene from Dhurandhar 2. Like, the point is, I didn't even watch Dhurandhar 1. मैं सीधा 2 देखने चला गया भाई. Good pitch, 6 out of 9. That's crazy. There's a very similar app as yours. Bro, which? I don't think so. Is it a public repo we can contribute? Yeah, bro, it's public, but it's all vibe coded. I haven't looked at a single line of code that Copilot wrote. I just beat his ass to give me correct code. That is it. How is this like? Meaning you have built all this by giving prompts to Copilot? Exactly, bro. Just get the student developer pack and you'll get Copilot Pro. Journey, check that app. Journey app, online journal and diary app. Yeah, kind of similar, but I guess the good thing is this app we can come every week and review each other, bro. After every week, I'll be like, okay, who wants me to review their weekly progress, right? And we see their profile. The fuck is this, bro? This is ass, bro. I don't know. Journey, make app widget. Yeah, this is by the way public. Heat map thing is there. Is there? Okay, I'll probably take a look. But yeah, I guess फिर till next week, I would try कि ये deploy हो जाए and we all start using it. I mean, I'm using it already, but I would want it to be deployed and add features like searchable profiles so that you guys start using it. I am already using it. I'll use it. And in the long term, I think it would be very useful. You should add review section as well. What do you mean review section? Comments. Not me, bro. This is all the work that Copilot will do. That Copilot will do. How much stipend are you getting for an internship? 150 rupiah. 150 rupiah. What database? Supabase, bro. At this point, it's all free right now. It's all free. I'm not paying a single rupee, bro. डाल देना prompt में आ जाएगा. Yeah, exactly. Make a LLD for this, bro. Chill out. Vipul Singh, bro. What were you doing at IIT Kanpur? I was there for a competition. Okay. Yeah, let's end this now. Let's go have breakfast. Worst contest ever. I know. I mean, yeah. Worst contest ever. What else can I even say? Stupid contest. Instead of heat map for a day, it has a feature of adding photos, like a heat map but with photos. Bro, heat map and photos are two completely different things. I was like, for heat map, we already are pretty much like, I like heat maps because of Leetcode and GitHub. सर्चेबल प्रोफाइल के साथ कुछ परमिशन भी होनी चाहिए वरना लोग यूज नहीं करेंगे. हाँ, I mean, yeah, if you want your profile to be private, of course, we will, I'm planning to add a feature that keeps your profile private if you want it private. If you want it public, then only we can search it. That's fair, bro. That's fair. Prathamesh, bro, nice. Nice idea. See you, girly roadie, salute to you. Yeah, bro. Let's go have breakfast. Trash contest. I mean, up to आदत हो गई है. It doesn't even matter. I am officially no longer a knight because I'm trash at DSA. But yeah. Double salute. Double salute. No one put so much effort in making streak without expecting anything in return. Without expecting anything in return? Bro, I mean, this is just purely for your own self. Like, let's say after 2025, at the end of 2025, you can see a complete heat map of your entire year. I mean, of course, it's not like it is giving anything you in return. But yeah. Add the following, bro. At this point, you're just asking me to create a social media. Good idea, though. Yeah, but bro, have all the access even after permissions. Nah, bro, I'll make it secure. I don't know. I'll have to look into that. Okay, let's meet next weekend. Let's hope ugly weekend I can catch up everything that I lost today. Bye bye. Thanks.